What is up, elders and youngers? This is Digital Education aka Ashok. Welcome to our channel. Before I tell you about my intro, so this video has a disclaimer that don't just hate this video, and also my intention is not to degrade any platform or any particular person in this video. So don't hate this video, like this video, share this video to create the awareness of this video. So welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be talking about the don't use LinkedIn as your Tinder application. So before we get into the video, let me just tell you that we post videos of news, trends, practices related to digital marketing. So make sure you guys get connected and stay updated by subscribing to our channel just like this. And if you have not watched some of our previous videos, I've linked in the I button. You can check that as well. Without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. So guys, today we will be looking the alternatives of Tinder application. Yes, Tinder application. The alternatives are matrimonial sites? No. Any other third-party applications or dating sites? No. It's LinkedIn. Yes, because truly and recently while I was searching my LinkedIn, lot of people are posting in some woman's profile that I'm interested in you. You look so beautiful. You look so good. Guys, cool, chill down. This application is to build connection, not relationships. Here, women and men are building connections to increase their profile and also increase the business relationship, not their personal relationship. If you have the intention to do this in this platform, please don't do this, because this is not the rightest platform. Here, people are seeking forward to look opportunities and connections with new to explore new things with them. This is not the relationship application which are LinkedIn built for that. It is world largest professional platform that LinkedIn has created it. Don't spoil this application by search of these peoples, those who are doing these activities in this application. Because you have to think that, because this application is for only professionals, not for dating sites or not for matrimonial sites where you have to upload your Aadhaar card and your details and you can search for girls and then just swipe right or swipe left to like or dislike. This application is not that. This application is totally different from those applications. This application is for business, B2B, B2C. Do B2B, do B2C. Don't be M2W, which means men to woman. This is not the relationship building platform application. So people are seeking forward to look connections and also looking for job opportunities even. So LinkedIn has also brought in some more features to improve the professional connections between users. LinkedIn is not that a platform which wants to bring data application. If LinkedIn has to do that, LinkedIn already brought out some of this feature earlier before this. LinkedIn is totally different from other applications. So guys, please don't use this application for your personal purposes. If you want to show off your brand, it's fine. If you want to show off your skills, it's fine. If you want to show off your eligibility and also you're seeking for a job, it's the right platform. Because women are creating profiles to seek more connections and also look opportunities forward there to grow their career and also have a bright future in this. So guys, please don't use this application, your regular dating application. There are many other dating applications which you can find in your Play Store or in an App Store. So guys, don't use this application for your personal purposes. This is only for business professionals. So guys, don't make this wrong use of this application, because such of these guys create a bad intention on the whole community or on the whole industry. So don't do this, guys. And also share this video to create the awareness that each and every one of you should know this application is for only professionals to build connections, not relationships. So please build connections, happy connections, not relationships. So if there is any personal talks, do report them. LinkedIn has a very big community to report those guys such as. There is an open form as well, so you can report these kind of profiles that they are trying to seek personal things on. Also, you can report them anything. So this is not the application to build your relationship here. So guys, please, if you have the intention to create a relationship with LinkedIn, I please you guys, please leave this application. So this application is to build only professionals and also build respectful connections among businesses and workers as well. And one more thing. My intention is not to create this video, but when seeing a post in my feed recently while scrolling that, a woman has posted a screenshot of his chat. Actually, I will explain what was the chat was. a person, a random guy, but the woman was an HR recruiter in so-called company. I can't disclose this woman's name and also the company's name. Sorry guys. So the random person started a conversation with a hi, I'm looking for a job in your company. She just said that with a professional way. Okay, we are also looking forward to give you a job. Please send your resume to so and so gmail.com of their company's gmail.com. She have given that, but the person replied, send me your give me your number, I will send my resume with via your WhatsApp. Seriously guys, seriously, how can you even look like that? Because and the next chat was, you look so beautiful, even if I don't get a job, we can be so and so. I can't say that word actually. Is this the way you approach an HR recruiter? Even if it is a woman or man, it's not the right way. Then if from that company, if she recruits the next person, she will not even give belief or trust in other guy who is actually capable for this job. So guys, please don't hesitate or also create hesitation among persons, because some persons should not be a reason for a huge platform community affecting to build connections, to grow their opportunity and also seeking forward for jobs. So guys, please don't do this. I personally don't hate anyone, because my intention and also my value is to help people, to guide, to seek job for us, them as well. So I have created this channel. And also you should be aware of the latest trends in this. So I have created this channel. My intention is not to hate and also not to roast anyone. I am not the type of that guy. So guys, that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, do share this video, like this video, drop a comment below, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you are not following me on my social media handles are on the screen. You can follow me on my social media to check interesting and also professional contents of digital marketing on my social media. So guys, that's all for this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Till then, get connected and stay updated. Bye.